If you're a beginner car salesman or car saleswoman, these are my best tips for starting out. Tell a story to your customer and get results. You want to paint a picture in your customer's head. So generally what I'll do if a customer is inquiring about the payments on a certain vehicle, I'll just say, hey, my last customer, they put $2,000 down and their payments were around $150 bi-weekly. They had a trade-in, so it was a little different, but you'll be in that same price range. Paint a picture for your customer and they'll get that vision of them purchasing the vehicle in their head. Ask questions to your customers and listen to what your customers say. If you ask the right questions, most of your customers will generally explain to you what they want to do with their purchase and how you're going to sell them a car. The answers the customers provide to your questions, you're going to establish what their pain points are. And in your sales process, you want to solve those pain points with their next vehicle. For example, if the customer says, oh, my current car is so bad on fuel, I pay too much in gas. That's a pain point that you want to solve